Hey y'all, I want to do a couple updates. I'm gonna try to keep it short. I haven't checked comments from the last video, but I am going to go back. I did leave a video of what looked like fire, confetti of fire falling. I'll address that last vision in a second. Um, the story is about Trump supposedly using chemical weaponry, and even the guy who put out the video didn't really know what to think of it. I don't necessarily believe the story, but what I saw in the vision of the confetti of red shells was very similar to the video, and it's just a new type of weaponry. And I added it to the comment section because I didn't see it until after I made the video, like maybe 10 minutes, within 10 minutes of making the video and uploading it. We all know what happened, the shooting against this Republican. My vision was of red cylinder rounds, and I want to perhaps tie in the confetti with it being Trump's birthday and him actually celebrating his birthday on the day that this incident happened, and also red for Republican. I think in hindsight, I thought about it yesterday. I was like, I'm wondering if red was for Republican. All in all, the video that I linked in the comment section was not a confirmed story and an assault to Donald Trump. And I think that the shooting was supposed to be a whether or not it was a false flag or this guy. I know Paul Begley had a guest that said that perhaps this guy was an MK Ultra mind controlled trained person. Whether or not it was a real event, because we do have some real events, I think it was a signal and a sign to Trump that it could happen to him. I think they were sending the signal, and this wasn't the first. Uh, Kathy Griffin and Snoop Dogg and so on and so forth. Um, I really think that the end result is for Trump not to feel secure. And also, gun control. There was some dude on the news that looked like, I don't know, maybe the governor of Florida. It just who was front and center after the Pulse nightclub shooting. You guys, I had that withered flower vision, and the same day or the next day, they were holding these what looked like little lilies, like water lilies or something. Um, Go figure, of commemorating the victims of the Pulse nightclub shooting. In my vision, they were withered, and on TV, they were white and big. They were huge. They were, I guess, they were paper. I don't know. But gun control, of course, is back in the forefront. What else? Minister Paul, that dream that I had of, I think it was Chris Branch coming down on a boat ship crossover type looking two-seater boat thingy flying in the air and pulverizing this building with fire. After I made that video, Minister Paul mentioned something to the effect of him and his wife being avenged for the rumors that are being spread against him by the Tyler boy and some other new character that's out here. So that made me think of the dream Of course, this fire in London made me think of the whole building being, I don't think it has anything particularly to do with the dream that I had, but the whole building being on fire made me think about that. Um, that was very sad, you guys. And after I had uploaded that dream, I was watching TV and someone, NCIS, this lady was being rescued or something, and they used fire um, to distract the killer before they rescued her. So all that happened like the day that I uploaded that particular dream. One more thing, you guys, as far as my blackbird vision, um, today I saw a group of black, these are huge blackbirds. We live here on the coastline by the water, so usually if they're big like that, is usually like seagulls or something. The only way I can describe these are um, black seagulls, and they were flying, and initially when I was leaving work and kind of like through the trees, they looked like jets to me. And they were kind of slow because I was trying to take video of them, and I actually was driving faster than they were going. I was going like 35 miles an hour on the strip, and but they were black and they looked like jets. I don't really know the name of the birds. I don't really um, care. If you guys know, then let me know. But instantly, I thought about jets, how they were flying. They looked like jets to me. I think it may be just a sign that some type of war, maybe something to do with war, you guys, because that was my first gut feeling, and I think that the Lord knew that would be my first gut feeling when I saw these blackbirds. Okay, um, what else? I think that's it. I'm going to try to check comments. I worked all day, but I went to church. We have revival for 3 nights. This is one of the 3 nights, and I didn't go to church on Sunday. I just want to go give God some praise. Not that I couldn't do that in my home, but I want to go show my face in the house of prayer for God giving me healing, get me over this cold, and get me back to work and up and out and about again. God bless y'all. Good night. I will talk with you later, okay?